Hello kids! Today we are going to look inside a school bag. And learn all about school supplies. When I go to school, I bring a big backpack. Where I put all of my school supplies. Together, let's see what's inside. In my bag, there is my book. I can read my book. In my bag, there is my notebook. I can write on my notebook. In my bag, there is my pencil case. What is inside my pencil case? Let's discover it together. In my pencil case, there are my pencils and pens. I like to write with my colorful pencils and pens. In my pencil case, there are my scissors. I like to cut paper with my scissors. In my pencil case, there is my glue. I can glue the pieces of paper I cut with my scissors. In my pencil case, there is my eraser. I can erase and write again. In my pencil case, there is my ruler. I like to measure with my ruler. Now I am ready to go to school. Amazing kids, this lesson has come to an end and you are now able to list what is inside your backpack. Excellent!